In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple Google Chrome profile. If your Chrome profile list has gotten cluttered with old or unused profiles, this walkthrough will help you clean it up quickly and safely. Start with Chrome open on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the browser window for your profile button. It's the circular icon next to the address bar. Click that to open the profile menu. From there, choose Manage Profiles. This opens the Profile Picker, a separate window that shows all the Chrome profiles saved on this device as tiles. Find the first profile you want to remove, move your mouse over that profile's tile, and click the three dots that appear in the upper right corner of the tile. In the small menu that opens, select Remove. Chrome will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you want to continue. Click Remove again to confirm. This deletes the browsing data for that profile from this computer, including history, cookies, and saved settings. If the profile was signed in and syncing, your data remains in your account online. You're just removing the local copy on this device. Now repeat the process for the next profile you want to delete. Hover over its tile, click the three dots, choose Remove, and confirm by clicking Remove again. You can continue this pattern for as many profiles as you need to clear out. If you accidentally start removing the wrong one, simply cancel at the confirmation prompt and double check before proceeding. A few helpful notes as you work. If the remove option is grayed out or missing, that profile may be supervised or managed by an organization, or the profile may still have an open browser window. Close any open windows for that profile and try again. If you don't see Manage Profiles in the menu, make sure you click the profile button in the top right of Chrome and consider updating Chrome to the latest version. As a best practice, review each profile tile before removing it. The name and icon help you confirm you're deleting the right one. If there are important bookmarks or passwords you haven't synced, sign into that profile first and enable sync so your data is backed up, then return to the Manage Profiles window to remove it from this device. When you're done, close the profile picker. You'll be left with just the profiles you actually use, making it faster to launch the right browsing environment every time. That's all it takes to delete multiple Google Chrome profiles cleanly and confidently.